Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about string slicing in Python. So we can extract a portion of a string using slicing. And the formula is this: string, the name of the string, start and the end. But what is very important is that start is inclusive, but end is exclusive. Let me illustrate it with an example. So I'm having a string called text and I'm having hello world here. In order to extract a portion of this string, I use this formula here. So I'm printing out the string, which is the name of the string, our text here, and then I'm having braces from 0, colon, and 5. Okay, so there are two parts here: before colon, after colon. Before colon is the start point, after colon is the end point. And please note that the start point is inclusive, but the end is exclusive. So we are going to start here from 0, and then we are going to finish at 4, including 4. Why? Because we are having number 5 here, and the end is exclusive. This is just a basic rule in Python. We just need to be aware of it when working with string slicing. So if we want to go up to 4 and include 4, we need to go up to 5 because end is exclusive. So this code is going to give us from index 0 to 4, and index 0 it's here. Okay, so index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, and index 4. Okay, so we go from 0 up to 5, but not including 5. Okay, then when I run the code, we see the output is hello. The first output is hello. This is for this one. Okay, from index 0 to index 4. It is included here. Then in the second part, I'm having two parts again: before colon and after colon. So before colon, we learned that it's the starting point that is inclusive, but after the colon is the ending point and it is exclusive. So when I type down nothing in the right part, which is the end of the string, it means that start from 7 here and go until the end of the string. Okay, so what is the string 7? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 is the starting point. W is the starting point. Okay, so I'm having W and I'm going to continue until the end of the string. Why? Because on the right part here, I don't have anything. If I had like 9, it was going to print out 7 and 8 because the starting point is 7. And when we are having number 9 there, 9 is exclusive, so it is going to go up to 9 and not including 9. So it was going to include 7 and 8 only. So when we type down nothing on the right side, it means that we are going to go until the end of the string. Okay? And again, here we are having the left side starting, the right side ending. I have nothing on the left side, meaning that start from the index 0 and go until up to string 4, including string 4. Okay, so because the end is not inclusive, it is exclusive. So when I see the print in the output for the second one, starting from index 7 until the end, it is printing a word. And when we are having the starting from 0 and ending at 4 inclusive, it is having the hello again for us. Okay, so this is the first part. The second part is that I am reinitializing the text variable called Python, and we are assigning the string Python to it. We can have the print of this string in the output for every second character. To do that, I'm having the name of the string, and then in the braces, we are going to have colon colon 2. It means that every second character. If you have colon colon 3, every third character it is going to print. So in the output, we see P, T, and O. So this is the P, and then it skip the y, it is printing t, and then it skip h, and it is printing o. So every second character. This is how we're going to use it in a string. Colon, colon 2. So if I type down colon, colon 3, every third character. So let me rerun. So we see P and H. So it prints P, 1, 2. These two are not included, then H is included. Okay, and 1, 2, and there is no third character after N, so we cannot have anything. So we are having only P and H. So if I have 2 again, I'm having P, and it is not including Y, then it is including T, it is not including H, it is including O. So this is how it's going to work. And then in order to have the reverse of our string, we are going to have colon, colon, -1. When we are having this code, we are going to see in the output the reverse of our string. So you see that we started with P for Python and ended with N. But here we are having N as the first character, O as the second character, H, T, Y, and P. So we are reversing the string using this code. Thank you for watching.